Visumatic's VSC-900 automatic screw feeder is an affordable way to begin automating your assembly process. The screw feeder bowl is filled, and the screws are then oriented and fed to the tooling tip. The automatic screw feeder installs each fastener to the proper torque. The feeder immediately delivers the next screw, keeping your assembly operator productive. Perfect for small assembly lines or small budgets, the VSC-900 can handle higher torque joining applications. Designed with operator acceptance in mind, the system can be paired with our fin jaw part interface tooling to fit tight access drive locations. Ergonomics are no problem comparing this automatic screwdriver on a torque reaction arm. Super Duty, Regular Duty, or custom biomechanical operator support options are available. Its straightforward design makes it simple to use and maintain. Achieve your productivity goals quickly with the most reliable automatic feed screw feeder system on the market. Protect your operators and boost their output by contacting a Visumatic fastening expert today.